I am loving life on the farm here. We're just walking around the village, and I just really enjoy seeing stuff like this. It's so serene, so relaxing, so beautiful. And they're getting ready for the rainy season. See a lot of tractors. You see some over here being worked on, but Sawadee Krab.
ดีค่ะสวัสดี
That kid is absolutely mesmerized by those tractors. He will not move. Oh, there he goes. Hello. Hello. Whoop, 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 whoop. I love it here. I'm going to build a room here on my brother's farm because I'll be spending half my time in Vietnam and the other half here in Thailand. Hey, I love you guys. Subscribe.